Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's session, we are going to look at some latest technology in WordPress hosting. Cloudways just recently launched the latest product, which is Cloudways Autonomous. So this is a new kind of WordPress hosting that features auto-scaling technology. So auto-scaling is a cloud computing feature that automatically adjusts the number of compute resources allocated to an application based on its workload. So basically auto scaling are of two types, horizontal and vertical. So horizontal is also known as scaling out, which involves adding or removing instances of virtual machines or containers to adjust the capacity of the application. Whereas vertical scaling is known for scaling up and down, which involves adjusting the resource CPU memory storage allocated to individual instance of a virtual machine or container. So Cloud Autonomous offers auto-scaling technology. Now we will learn why we should use Cloud Autonomous technology. So as I have never really seen a web host offer auto-scaling technology such an at an affordable price and also with a setup process that is very easy to deploy. So now this opens the technology up to much broader audience. Even fairly non-technical web designers are now going to able to set up their WordPress site with this technology. Now this is going to have some peak performance benefits for those of us managing WordPress projects that experiences spikes in high traffic. With the help of Cloud Autonomous, we can eliminate the need for constant monitoring. So you won't need to monitor resources or manually scale servers during a marketing campaign. And with this, we can get security at scale, in which Cloudflare Enterprise is built into the infrastructure which selectively filters traffic, ensures optimal security at every scale. Now, who can use Cloud Autonomous? So, business like e-commerce, event or booking, learning management system can use Cloud Autonomous. So, I would say that use cases here are e-commerce, particularly when you are dealing with ticket sales and big promo events where you have many customers coming to store concurrently at the same time. You can get a big upstick in traffic suddenly and puts your server down under a heavy load. So the same thing often happens with the learning management system where you have got an online course, the course has just started and you have got a load of lots of students logging in at the same time. So they all need to complete an assignment or a test at the same time. So for example, and the server is going to be under a very heavy load for a short period of time. But after the event is over, then it's to be fairly idle for most of the time. So in this, auto scaling is the perfect solution. Now we will learn about the features offered by the Cloud Autonomous. So it offers features like unlimited PHP work, where we can manage multiple requests simultaneously without any limits, ensuring optimal website performance. And it provides auto scaling and high availability, where auto scaling scale resources up and down, as we have seen horizontal and vertical. So based on the demand using Kubernetes, auto scaling and load balance. And it ensures high availability without any manual intervention. It is integrated Cloudflare Enterprise, which utilizes Cloudflare Edge, caching, and global CDN to deliver the fastest experience regardless of user location, which enhance website speed and performance. It, it offers security, which can be benefit from unmetered DDoS mitigation at multiple layers, including layer 3, 4, and 7. So Cloudflare's web application firewall analyzes requests to block attackers and threats with SSL encryption enhances the data security. It also has features like automated backups. So the backups are taken twice daily, providing peace of mind for data protection. Additionally, users can take on demand backups within a single click and restore them easily if needed. And multiple PHP versions can be supported for each application. For example, like PHP version 7.4 to 8.2 with a simple click, providing flexibility for developers and ensuring compatibility with various applications. And they provide service for 24 into 7 export support, as it can access professional technical support and assistance around the clock, ensuring that help is available whenever needed to troubleshoot issues, optimize performance, or address any concern. Now let's take a look at the pricing structure. So if you click on the pricing, here you can find the structure. So you can see the pricing as starting at $35 per month. And if you take look at the chart, this will give you a good example. So I'll put a link in the details down below so you can take a look at this for yourself. But you can see all the details, everything that's going here as a part of your plan. Now the only key difference between all these plans is the WordPress application. As you can see, the plan 1 is of $35 and the plan 2 is of $90 and so on. So here you can see the for plan $35, one WordPress application, and for plan 2, which is of $90, can host up to 3 WordPress application and so on. And also the differences between the disk space for plan 1 is 15 GB, for plan 2 is 25, and so on. It increases with the price as well as the disk space. And the unique visits for plan 1 is 30K and for plan 2 is 70K, and so on. It increases as per your requirement. You can select your plan. For plan 1, it offers 100 GB of bandwidth. For plan 2, it offers 200 GB of bandwidth, and so on. So the plan is up to for 7, where it ends up to 90 WordPress application can be hosted on by using plan 7, and also it offers 200 GB disk space with unique visits of 1500 unique visits and 3000 gigabytes of bandwidth. So below description, I will share the link of the pricing structure of using Cloud Autonomous. Now we will perform a demo of how we can create a server and host a WordPress as well as PHP application on that server. So if you click on sign up, it will take some time. So here you can find the sign up page where you can also create an account with 3-day trial, which does not require any credit card or any charges. And also we can get object cache and SSL certificate. And as we have learned in features that it offers 24 into 7 real-time expert support, and you can host unlimited website. So here you can create your account, but I have already created an account, so I will directly log in. So here you can find the default page, and here you can find the dashboard, Cloudways Flexible, Cloudways Autonomous, Teams, My Project settings. So as we need to add a server, then we will host WordPress application as well as PHP application on that server. So first you need to create a server. So just click on add server, select application. So first we will try out with the WordPress. Here you can see there are multiple versions and WooCommerce, PHP can also be supported. Then we will simply type the application name, which I am taking as DevOps, then server name devopsin.info, and then simply you have to select your project file. So I have selected it as DevOps project. And then you need to select your server. So you can select AWS, Google. Currently I am selecting digital. So here you can see the server size. So you need to select your server size, where you can always scale your server size whenever required. So here you can see your pay as you go. If you select for more than 2 GB, then you can see the price for monthly price would be $46. Currently, I'm just performing a demo, so I will select 1 GB. So it will take around $11. Then you need to select the location. So I will select as default New York, and then simply you will click on launch now. So here you can see it is adding server, and it will take approx 7 minutes to add the server. So our server has been created successfully, and we have hosted an application. Here you can find application installed on this server, the project associated with this server. So if you click on the application, here you can find the WordPress application, which is we have named as DevOps. And if you click on the server, you can find your public IP address, your master name, your password. So as you can see, it also offers monitoring, where you can monitor your application. Also, you can manage the service, change the setting, and you can also set up vertical scaling. So you can increase the server size and block storage, which will include the price. Here you can see for 1 GB, extra 1 GB, you can get up to $14 monthly price. And also you can say for block storage according to your requirement, and for our application we can also set backup according to our preference. So if you schedule for 9 hours, it will give you the backup for 9 hours. For security, you can use SSH, SFTP. Here you can find the option to allow IP address and many more. So here you can find the master credential. Now if we go back, in our dashboard, so click on dashboard. So here you can see flexible apps we have hosted, which is one. Here you can find the details of the apps. If you click on total servers, here you can find the server created. Now we will create another application. So here you can see to add the application, just click on application, then select add application, select the server which you have created, which is named as devopsin.info, then add application, click on add application. then you need to select first your application. Now we will select PHP. So we will select custom PHP, name as DevOps PHP, and as we have select created a folder called a DevOps project, we will select it by default. So just simply click on add application. So this will add your PHP application on your server. So here you can see it is adding the application of it, and it will take approx 2 minutes. So here you can find that our second application has been installed on this server successfully. So if you click on this in the application, you can find the one WordPress and one PHP application. So if you click on the PHP application, it will give the details. Here it will give the details of access details. Then we can also stage our project. Then we can also monitor our PHP project where it gives analytics like traffic, and also it can give access log and error log. It can also provide SSL certificate. Here you just need to type your email address and domain, and we can deploy our project via Git. And there are many more application settings. And if you click on server, now we want to delete the server. So simply just click on delete. You can also recover the server if you have deleted the server. So now we will delete the server as we have performed our practical successfully. So click on no permanently delete. Click on others if you want to delete. And here you can select delete the server. So it will take some time. So here after we click on delete server, you can see if you want to recover the server, you can click on recover. And if you close this, here it will give the default page. So we conclude for today. So if you are interested in trying out the Cloudways Autonomous, then I will give the link in the description and you can get started, and let me know if you have got any question or comments below. So you can find the product details in the Cloudways website, and if you click on Cloudways, you can find all the details related to Cloudways Autonomous. So thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe, like, share, and like the video, and also hit the bell icon to view more content. Thank you for watching the video.